Hey, I'm Chanel and today I'm going to show you how to make a bumper shot with your One X2. So let's get started. Mount the suction cup onto your car. Attach the selfie stick with the One X2 onto the suction cup. Extend the selfie stick halfway. Open the Insta360 app and check the live preview to see how your final result will look. Set the One X2 to record at 5.7K 30 frames per second, and if you're happy with the results, start driving down the road. To edit the bumper shot in the Insta360 app, turn on direction lock, and this will make the camera follow the car automatically. Add 8 times speed to the entire video. At the beginning of the video, reframe the shot and add a keyframe. Export the video, and now you have a bumper shot. So now you know how to make it look like you're in your own racing game. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.